Good morning students. Welcome to the fourth session on trigonometry, and today we are going to continue with practice set 6.1. Okay, so in the previous session we have learned the relation between the trigonometric ratios. So here the relations are given. 1 upon sine theta is equal to cosec theta. That means we can say that cosec theta is the inverse of sine theta. It can be also written as sine theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta. That is, sec theta is the inverse of cos theta and vice versa. It can be also written as cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Then 1 upon tan theta is equal to cot theta. It can be written as tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. After that, we have learned some fundamental equations. First equation is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And on the basis of this equation, we have found out two more equations. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta, and 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Okay, so these are the important relation of trigonometric ratios which you have to remember to solve practice set 6.1. Okay, so let's continue with the sixth term. Prove that sine square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. Now here what we have to do, we have to show that the left hand side of this equation is equal to the right hand side. So such type of questions you have to solve. First write the left hand side here. So what is the left hand side of this equation? Sine square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta. So to solve this, you will do the cross multiplication. So you will get here sine square theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta. Okay, and we know that the fundamental equation sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So instead of this sine square theta plus cos square theta, you will write here 1 upon cos theta. Reason you will write as, since sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and 1 upon cos theta is, yes, it is sec theta. So reason is 1 upon cos theta is equal to sec theta, and sec theta is the right hand side of this equation. That means we have proved that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this is not the end of your answer. After this, you have to write the given equation. Therefore, sine square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta, because this step also carries some marks. Okay, so don't forget to write the equation again in the answer. At the end you have to write the given equation. Okay, so let's move on to the next question here. Second one, you have to prove that cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so first you will write the left hand side. So what is the left hand side here? Yes, cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta. Now you have to simplify this and you should get answer as 1, because 1 is the right hand side of this equation. So what you'll do, you will first simplify this. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is, yes, it is sec square theta. So you will write here cos square theta into sec square theta, and reason you have to write. So don't forget to write the reason. That is equal to, now cos square theta into sec square theta. Both the terms are in square. They have index as 2. So you can write it in the bracket, and commonly you can give the square sign. So you will get here cos theta into sec theta in bracket and square. Okay, therefore now cos theta into sec theta. Now cos theta is the inverse of sec theta. That means if you write here, instead of sec theta, if you write 1 upon cos theta, then cos theta will get cancelled, and you will get here 1. So you will get here 1 square. That means, let me show you what step I have written here. Cos theta into 1 upon cos theta. This cos theta will get cancelled. So you will get here 1. So 1 square is 1. Hence that is equal to right hand side. Therefore we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. And at the end I told you to write the given equation. So you will write here cos square theta into bracket 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. So I hope you all have understood this. Let's move on to the next question. Here you have to prove that root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So let's write first left hand side. Root 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta. Okay, now you have to find the answer as sec theta minus tan theta, which is the right hand side of this equation. So how will you solve this? Yes, first you have to rationalize the denominator. That means you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 1 minus sin theta. So here 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta, both numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 1 minus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta. So what you will get here, and we know the rule of multiplication of fractions. In the multiplication of fractions we have to multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So here you will get here 1 minus sin theta bracket 1 minus sin theta bracket, both the bracket, these brackets are, this bracket is repeatedly come here. So you will write here 1 minus sin theta bracket square upon a plus b, a minus b. What is the formula? Yes, it is a square minus b square. That means 1 square minus sin square theta. Okay, then you have to write 1 minus sin theta square. Now 1 square is 1 minus sin square theta, and 1 minus sin square theta is, yes, it is cos square theta. So you will get here square root of 1 minus sin theta upon cos square theta. Reason you have to write here, you have used the equation sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now if you remove the square root sign, you will get here 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, 1 upon cos theta. Now this you can separate out. You can write here 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. Now 1 upon cos theta is sec theta and sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Therefore you will get here sec theta minus tan theta, which is the right hand side of this equation. Reason you will write as sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta and tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. So don't forget to write the reasons. Whichever formula or relation you are using in the trigonometric ratios, that reason you have to write. Okay, that is equal to right hand side. Hence we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore square root of 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So let's move on to the next question now. Sec theta minus cos theta into bracket cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta dot sec theta. Now what is the meaning of this dot? Yes, it is nothing but multiplication sign. So in trigonometry, instead of multiplication sign, you can use the dot symbol. So tan theta into sec theta. Okay, so this left hand side you have to prove as tan theta into sec theta. So let's write first left hand side. Now sec theta you can write as 1 upon cos theta. So 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta, bracket close. In second bracket, cot theta can be written as cos theta upon sin theta plus tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. reason, whichever relation of trigonometric ratios you have used, that you have to write here. That is equal to, now by making the denominator same, you have to multiply both the terms by cos theta. So what you will get here, 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta. And here you will get, by making the denominator same, you will get here cos square theta plus sin square theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Because here for this fraction you will multiply by cos theta, and to this fraction you will multiply by sin theta. Okay. Now 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, and cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So let's substitute here, sin square theta upon cos theta into 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. Reason is, since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So these two formulae we have used here. So now sin square theta, this sin theta will get cancelled. So you will write here sin theta upon cos theta into 1 upon cos theta. Now here don't make mistakes here. Sin square theta is there. That means sin theta is written 2 times. Sin theta into sin theta. So one sin theta from here and one sin theta from here will get cancelled. Remaining terms are sin theta upon cos theta into 1 upon cos theta. Now sin theta upon cos theta can be written as tan theta. So you will write here tan theta. And 1 upon cos theta can be written as sec theta. So you will write here sec theta. Now tan theta into sec theta, it is the right hand side of this equation. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. So therefore sec theta in minus cos theta into bracket cot theta plus tan theta is equal to tan theta into sec theta. Okay. I hope you all are understanding this. Remaining sums we will solve in the next session. Let's move on to the assignment question. Here I have given you 2 questions. You have to prove that cot theta plus tan theta is equal to cosec theta into sec theta, and 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to sec theta plus tan theta. So these 2 sums you have to solve in your notebook. So with this I will end this session here. We will meet in the next video with the remaining sums. Till then, take care.